The Clarendon police are now investigating the circumstances which led to a physical altercation involving a Vere Technical High School student and two adults outside the school last week. Now, the school's principal has condemned the attack while reiterating calls for some adults to participate in parenting classes. Shamela Pullen has the details.
A disturbing video clip, approximately 2 minutes and 30 seconds long, captures the physical altercation involving a male student in uniform and two adults, a male and a female. The incident happened in full view of other students who can be heard reacting to the fight. The incident happened outside the gate of Vere Technical High School in Clarendon last Tuesday. TVJ News understands that the dispute started between two schoolboys over a USB power adapter. One of the boys sought the intervention of two adults who came to the school. It's further understood that the adult male and female proceeded to attack the other student, who could be seen in the video fighting back even as attempts were made to separate them. Vere Technical High School Principal O'Neill Lewin expressed concern about the series of events.
The student actually had some injuries to his face and hand, and he is recuperating at home, but it is now a police matter and the police is dealing with that issue.
He further condemned the actions of the adults involved in a physical altercation.
We have some quite irresponsible adults who are fueling interaction between the students within the school, and they don't leave the school to deal with issues which come up with the students, but they figure that they should take it on themselves, and it is creating a bad impression for the students and also the community at large, because this is not a good reflection on the school and also the parents who are involved.
He is of the view that interventions like parenting classes could benefit some adults.
We have quite supportive parents who attend PTA meetings. The ones who don't come, those are the ones who are the problem, and it seems as if in many instances the students or the children are the ones who are calling the shots and not the parents. So
what advice to those parents, though?
They need parenting skills. They need to engage themselves in some kind of programs where they can develop proper parenting skills, because that is extremely lacking.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for South East Clarendon, the constituency where the incident took place, Pernell Charles Jr., is urging parents and students to be mindful of their actions and how they may impact the school community.
All in all, we're going to be working with the principals, we work with the staff, work with the students, and to encourage the best practices in treating with these kinds of situations where you have contention. And just to ensure that the environment at the school is safe, it's an environment that is enabling for their education and their learning, and that where we need the intervention of the police, that we do whatever is required to provide the police with all the information so they can do their job effectively.
TVJ News understands the adults involved in the altercation have been questioned by the police. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.